Hello friends, welcome to Java2D tutorials. Now we are starting a new sub-series for shape fill. In the previous video we talked about shape outline, and here in this sub-series we will talk about shape fill. So first we will learn about the fill basics, and in this complete sub-series you will learn how to do a color fill, then how to perform a gradient fill, then what's the use of a set paint method, then we will also use the JColor chooser to pick a color. One can fill the closed shapes using paint attribute of the Graphics2D. Java2D defines paint interface, and it's implemented by the classes Color, GradientPaint, and Texture Paint. The Graphics2D will make use of the paint interface implementing class Color or Gradient Paint or Texture Paint to perform painting on the closed region, or we can simply say to perform painting of the shapes. Java Graphics2D provides a set paint method. So using this method you can set a paint attribute. So the paint attribute can be a color, gradient paint, or texture paint, and you can set that to the Graphics2D using the set paint method. The color implementation is useful to fill color for a closed shape. So if you have a closed shape, you can set the paint attribute with the color instance. Then when you make a call to fill method on your shape, the shape will get filled with the specified color. Similarly, gradient paint will perform color interpolation between two color and between two defined point. Say for example, if you have a rectangle like this, between 2 points, say for example you can pick a point here, then one more point, and here color is a C1 and here color is a C2. So gradient will be applied in this direction, and if you see towards this end you will see more of C1 color, and towards the right hand you will see a C2 color, and in between you can change the interpolation of a color, changing from C1 to C2. Texture paint implementation allows filling a shape with an image pattern. In this example, we will learn how to use solid as well as gradient color fill for a closed shape. And in this sub-series, we will use the rectangle to fill it with a solid color. Then we will use one more rectangle, and here we will fill this with a gradient color. So here solid color means only one color. In gradient color we will use interpolation between color 2 and color 3. So that's all you need to learn here. The important method here is a set paint, which will set the paint attribute, and the paint interface is implemented by color, gradient paint, and a texture paint. So for set paint method you can give any of these three instances and paint will be performed accordingly. So there is no demo here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.